Yeah, if everyone runs down the middle, then they're bound to not hit everyone, so. Shoot. Got it. Wait, what the heck? Buddy. Oh. Same plan. Hey buddy, how's it going? Oh, what the heck? It's not, no, it's just my pistol skin check. Okay, well my pistol's dead. Got it? Dang. No! Keep running. You got it. Do you think I could? Dang it. It worked! It worked though! Yay. I walked and I made it. How far can I run? I'm just gonna keep going. Screw this! Wait. I'm gonna run and grab it. Move, move, move. Grab you guys. Good job. Yeah, good job. I don't know. I haven't named it yet. We're coming to lower extremities. I don't think I have a chance. Oh, I hate this. You know what? You guys suck. I brought it all the way over there and they picked it back up. What's the issue? Hi. Okay. I'll take the bang bang if you want. I don't have guns, so I can't. Thank you. They're going left. They're going left. Hurry. They're bringing the flag left. I'm moving. I got him straight in the chest. He's not calling it.